What's up, guys? Welcome back. Tony here. Well, I got some good news and I got some bad news. So the good news is the slip-ons have arrived. They are installed. The bad news is the install video didn't turn out. So I don't have an install video. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you out to the garage and show you exactly how these things go on. It is just extremely easy. It's one clamp and two screws. Slide them off, slide the new ones on, tighten them down. It really is a 5, maybe 10-minute job if you've never done it before. Very easy. No tune required with slip-ons. That was one of the reasons I did this, is because the tuner right now it's a little sticky, and I'm going to tell you why. With the iron, I didn't worry about my warranty. That engine was a proven workhorse. It was reliable. The damn thing just ran and ran and ran. So I really didn't worry about the warranty. So hooking up an FP3 to it, voided the warranty. Putting the conversion kit on, of course, voided the warranty. And I really didn't worry about it. But with this new Milwaukee 8, this engine is not proven. It's brand new. This is the second year that it's been out. Last year, there were some recalls, oil leaks, and I've watched some videos and read some articles, and it has some quirks. And I mean, they're still working this stuff out, as you would expect with a brand new top to bottom motor. So with that being said, I want to keep my warranty intact. And in order to do that, I have to use the Screaming Eagle Street Tuner, which is suspect at best, in my opinion. I mean, it does tune stage 1, 2, 3, and 4, but it keeps it within the APA standards, so you're still going to be running lean, and you're still going to be running a little hot than if you used, like, say, an FP3 or Dynavision or something like that, which really richens the bike up and gets it to where it needs to be. But when you use one of those tuners, you void the warranty. So I am kind of wrestling with voiding the warranty or keeping the warranty. I just hate spending $300 on a tuner that within 3 years or 2 years I'm going to have to replace, and get something that will actually tune the bike to where it needs to be. So I'm kind of struggling with that. So I just went with slip-ons to get some sound, and that way I didn't have to sweat the tune right now, and it's something I don't have to worry about. As far as power goes, the bike has just gobs of power. I mean, power for days. Of course, it could be better, and it will be better, but I just need to figure out which direction I am going to go. So with that being said, we're going to go out to the garage. We're going to take a look at these things. I'm going to show you how to install them, and we're going to listen to them and see what you think. Now with sound, they're going to come across, I'll do the best that I can. They never really sound like they do in person on video, but it's going to give you an idea. I will say they are very throaty. They are real deep sound to them, which I kind of dig. But, oh, and you're probably asking, what kind of slip-ons are they? I went with the Reinhardts. I got a Reinhardt 3.5-inch slip-on. The reason I went with that, it was just something different from Vance & Hines. I've had Vance & Hines for years, and that's really all I've ever used. So I wanted to try something different on this bike. So I went with the Reinhardts, and I will say they sound really nice, really nice. I truly enjoy the sound, and they are not quiet. It's not a quiet pipe at all. But let's quit talking. You guys don't want to hear me sit here. You guys don't want to listen to me sit here and jab. Let's go out and take a look. Alright guys, so here's the actual slip-on, and the way we want to get these off is we want to loosen this up. This is your clamp, and then you have a set of screws here that hold the bottom slip-on on, and then right behind you have 2 more screws. When I'm removing them, I like to work from the top down and then putting them back on from the bottom up. That's just the way I like to do it. But anyway, you loosen this up to where you can move it around and you make sure it's completely loose. Remove the 2 screws behind, and this thing just slips right off. You just pull it off. It's that simple. And then putting them back on is just the reverse. Just slip them on. Literally, you slip them off, slip the new ones back on. 5-10-minute job. Easy, easy, easy. Now there is one hiccup with these 2018s that's not on the Sportsters or any other Harley, from what I understand, is these do require a gasket. You have to buy gaskets from Harley that slip in to the slip-on itself, and that way when you put them on, it has a nice tight seal. All the other bikes do not have those. It is just a friction fit clamp, done. This 2018 has the gaskets. First time I've ever encountered a gasket on a slip-on, but these do have them, and they're not a pain in the ass to get in like the exhaust gaskets. These just kind of slip right in. Really easy to do. So there is that. And these are the, like I said, the 3.5-inch Reinhardts. So I'm going to get this thing started up and let you guys take a listen. So, all right, guys, just a quick look. This is the stock slip-on here, the stock muffler. And if you can see, let me see if I can get this to focus. This is the actual gasket that fits in the end of the slip-on. It's just a standard crush gasket that you use on your exhaust ports, but it's about, you know, 1.5 inches long, and it just slips in the end. It's very easy to put on. It's not a big deal at all. The Reinhardts are a direct replacement. Nothing needs to be changed at all. Remove these 2 screws, remove the clamp, you're good to go. It slips right back on. Like I said, no tuning or anything required. And as if you can tell with this stock one here, this is the actual muffler, and then it has a heat shield, a chrome heat shield, to give it some bulk and to finish it off. The Reinhardts do not have a heat shield. They are 100% chrome, 3.5 inch. The fit and finish on these things are excellent. I will say, let me put this back. I will say that I have one gripe with the Reinhardts as far as the fit goes, and let me go over there and show you what I'm talking about. This is the little fit issue that I have. It's right here. If you can see this, it's about 3/16 of an inch. The bottom's about 1/8. Where the pipe could have slid in just a little bit more to get this gap filled up. But the way that it fit on here, I couldn't slide it forward anymore, so that's kind of where the slip-on has to live. I tried to move the heat shield back, but it kind of was at a funny angle and it looked worse than that. But this isn't that bad. I can live with that. So that's the only gripe that I have. Other than that, the finish on the pipe is excellent. The sound is phenomenal, at least in my opinion, and the chroming is perfect. And I can't say enough about the finish on it. And as far as ease of install, like I said, 1 clamp, 2 screws, slip it off, slip it on. 10 minutes, guys. Easy, easy, easy. No tune required. Slip these on, makes the bike sound the way that it should, and I am very happy with the sound of these Reinhardts. So, all right, guys, there you go. Those are the 3.5-inch Reinhardt slip-ons. I appreciate you guys tuning in and letting me waste your time as usual. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right over here. I surely would appreciate it. And other than that, guys, until next time, ride safe and be careful out there. Later.